Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use your own presets in Lightroom that you made on your mobile device and can now use on your laptop. I encountered this issue myself, but finally found a solution to use my own self-made presets to use on my laptop. So let's dive right in. First open Lightroom on your phone and select the photo with the preset you want to use on your laptop. I created this preset on this photo. Here's the original photo and on the right is the photo with the preset that I have applied to the photo. To use this preset on your laptop, simply save the photo as a DNG file and tap on the share icon, select export and change the file type to DNG and then send the photo to your laptop. I am using AirDrop for this, but if you don't have AirDrop, you can use your email, Dropbox or Google Drive and make sure to download the file onto your laptop. Once the DNG file is on your laptop, open it in Lightroom. Here is how I do it. I click the plus icon to import the file and it will open my photo with the preset that I've applied to it. Now on the right hand side, click on this icon and then choose the plus icon. It's labeled as Create Preset. And then you can give your preset a new name and place it under an existing group or create a new one. I will place it on my existing group and this is called New and I named this preset 8 New. In this way you save the Lightroom Mobile Preset on your computer and you can use this preset for every photo you want. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I do my best to assist you if you face any issues. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing.